Hey friends and folks, it's Angela, your online success coach, wealth mindset super mom, and I'm making this super video today to talk about something that's available to the people of Empower Network that is more powerful than the price. And I'm going to be honest with you, I love these types of things. I love things that deliver more value than you can possibly pay for out of your pocket. That says a lot about the company. And I think that if a person takes advantage of it, it says a lot about them and what they know they deserve. Okay? I mean, let's just think about what I just said real quick. If someone takes advantage of something that is truly life changing because they know that they deserve that, then what they're telling the universe, okay, or what your personal beliefs may be, but what that person is doing is they're telling the universe that they're ready for success, that they are willing to take the necessary steps to get success. Now, what steps am I talking about? Now, when individuals join Empower Network for $25 a month, they have the option to purchase the Inner Circle. These are calls that are logged and recorded since the very beginning of Empower Network. And the training in these calls, just these conversations among the leaders right now that are making 6 and 7 figures, there is not a dollar price that can be put on it. However, the Inner Circle membership is $100 a month. And and I say, just speaking personally, and what I've been doing in my business is listening to the Inner Circles every day. And I followed the advice of a few of my mentors and coaches that, recommended some specific calls, but I listened to all of the calls and I have listened to most of them still. There are a lot of them that I haven't heard yet because what I do is I have a call and I'll listen to the call about 15 to 20 times. So this lets you know how deeply embedded it is in my subconscious. This knowledge from these individuals that are making 6 and 7 figures in Empower Network. So most recently, I'm listening to a call by Tony Rush, and I did another video about this call because, like I said, I listened to the call, 15 times or more, usually 15 to 20 times, and I'm listening to the call again today because I like his style, and he's just kind of off the cuff, sort of kind of like me, but he does it in a 6 7 figure way, and he just says what's real and he's true with it, and he's speaking about responsibility. And he had this part in the call that he says there was a long list of reasons why I wasn't successful, and I realized that I wasn't on the list. And that's so powerful because when you as an individual identify that the reason for your success or failure or growth is all in you, that's when you truly can just tap into the power that's going to take you to the next level. Because as long as your success is dependent on someone else liking you, or dependent on someone else thinking you're pretty, or dependent on someone else wanting to share information with you, as long as you have those thoughts in your mind, those thoughts are going to be your reality. But when you put it in your mind and you know without a doubt, and you attach faith and 100% surety to the fact that you are in control of your life, and that the things that are happening to you in your life are due to the decisions that you are making and that you can change in an instant. It's such a powerful call. Like I said, I've listened to it about 15 times. So I in my book, I feel like I truly understand his words, maybe on a level that he meant them when he spoke, because I've listened to them and I gather a different interpretation every time I listen to them. So if you haven't become a part of the Inner Circle yet, I would hope that $100 a month isn't going to be the difference between your success in Empower Network and you not having success. But if it is, again, you have a long list of reasons for success or non-success. And as long as you know that you're on that list, then at the end of the day, and watching this video, you'll know, okay, I was told that I needed the inner circles to be successful in my Empower Network business. And it's totally awesome. So I'm going to cut this video short here, just talking about you, who you are, what you deserve, and then just putting yourself on the list of individuals that are going to help you get what you want, right? Just think about you just putting yourself on that list. So I'm going to cut this video short here, folks, before I go into a whole nother level of the call. And I'll see you all on the winning team. If you haven't yet joined my team and you're looking for some more information, or you just have questions, definitely connect with me on Facebook. I've included my link below this video, and send me any questions or anything that you may want to know. I'll be happy to answer that for you. So I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the next event in October, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.